Let me show you how I was able to turn this image into a circular frame like this using Canva. So the first thing we need to do is to have our image. So upload your image in Canva. Now the next thing we need to do is to go on elements, go to elements and choose the frame you wish. Select here see all to see all the available frames. We want to use this frame, and when I choose it, you can see here it gives us an option to insert our image and also have a border, a circular border around the image. For us to insert the image here into this circular frame, all you need to do is drag and drop it here, and there it is. Now when you look at it, it is not centered. So for us to center it, what you need to do is to double click inside the circle, and here the image is selected. Now you can move the cursor all around and make sure that the image is centered. Once you're satisfied, you leave the cursor. And now when we click outside, you can see the image is centered. The next thing we need to do is to change the color of the frame. So we click on the frame, and here you can see the color of the frame. You click on the color to change the color it to the color that you wish. So we can choose any color, and you see now the color has been applied. You can choose according to your wish. You can choose as many colors as you can, and when you are satisfied with one, you leave it. You can even choose gradient colors. So say we want this, here we go. So if you compare the initial image with this, you can now see that the same image has been inserted into a circular frame, and we have options on what we can do with it. If you are not satisfied with the size, you can drag the size of your image as you wish. So here we have our final image in a circular shape. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe.